This is a really big heads up here. We're gonna get hit with a big snowstorm. I monitor this website every year in the wintertime. I've never seen anything like this, but I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. Okay, I'm over the date. Okay, so it's December 3rd right now, Friday. Now we come through here. That's December 6th. So that's Monday. That's like 6 to 8 feet of snow, guys, on the accumulation of the snowfall because of the color rate. So you're looking at like potentially the blizzard of 96, if not worse. But it starts possibly tonight. It was a Saturday, December 4th. Yeah, so that's the first one. So it's going to start tomorrow. And then Monday, look at that. See that thing rolling in? They're not warning, didn't warn people about the atmospheric river when it first happened. This is like the blizzard of 96. Like look at that. So it's just a heads up, everybody. We're going to get hit with a massive amount of snow. And it just keeps on going, see? Boom, see that? We're in like, it's going to be like Siberia in the next, 5 days. It's going to look like Siberia here, guys. I'm just like, I'm shocked. I've never seen any kind of snow accumulation like that since I've been monitoring this website for the island here, right? So, well, it's going to hit the whole coast, right? So the whole lower mainland's going to get hit. So just a heads up, we're getting a flurricane. Basically, it's Hobo Films reporting on the flurricane. We're going to get hit with the flurricane, guys. So, just a heads up. Happy Monday, everybody. Today's Friday, man. See, I'm reporting on Monday. That's when the big accumulation of snow is going to drop, right? So, as Hobo Films, tonight I'm going to try to make like an alcohol stove, right? I'm going to get prepared. I got preps, and stuff, but I'm going to have to like really like get super prepared here, right? Like I have to like go Norwegian style, right? If it like really goes down, right? So, hey, just a heads up, everybody. You might want to, get prepared because we're going to get hit with a serious snowstorm. I'm telling you, I've never seen anything like this since I've been monitoring this website. So, Hobo Films, have a good day, stay safe, and God bless. Ciao.